guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some fake stained glass. Now, Jeremy and I both made one of these projects. This one's mine, and I'm going to talk you through in the video how I'm doing this. And then this one's Jeremy, and he is pretty crafty, but he wouldn't say he's super artistic. And this side looks really good, but the other ones got a little crazy. And I'm going to show you later on. But what I love about this project is it is easy and simple to do for any skill level. You can get all of these supplies just from your local craft store. Now remember, this is something for fantastic results, easy and simple to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing for this project is you're going to want to pick out whatever kind of surface you're wanting to do. I'm going to do mine on this hexagon plexiglass. Now we're going to trace it onto a piece of paper and then draw out your design. Okay, so now that I'm done with my main drawing, I'm going to come back in and add a few more little detail lines around the frame and also inside to give it more of that stained glass feel. So what I'm going to use to make this actually look like stained glass is going to be something called Plaid's Gallery Glass. This is liquid leading and it's just black, but I also have put some into a couple smaller little tubes just in case I want a different line. I took a broken piece of plexiglass that Jeremy just stepped on to test out a few of the lines and just to get a feel for how it's going to work. And I recommend you do the same. So what I'm going to do now is use the liquid leading and go on all of the pencil lines and let it dry. So now this is going to sit for 24 hours or overnight, and then anything that didn't turn out very well or blobbed up, definitely had some of those, I can clean it up and cut it once it's completely dry. It's been 24 hours since we left our piece to dry, and now it's completely cured. It's ready to go back and be cleaned up in any spots that I'm not really pleased with, and then filled in with color. I'm using this tool set that Gallery Glass provides. It's got a cutting tool in it, but to me it's pretty much the same thing as an X-Acto knife. So I might go back and forth between the two. So first I'm going to clean it up, and then we're going to see about color. Okay, so I think I'm done cleaning it up. I'm afraid if I keep messing with it, then I'm going to start messing it up. So what I'm going to do now is actually start filling in with color. So before we were using the gallery glass black leading, this is opaque. Gallery glass also has crystal clear as well as a variety of different color choices. These are going to be more transparent. I've heard that the lighter colors are more transparent than any kind of a darker option. So I guess we're going to find out and see what we get. Every now and then, tap the back of your project to help get rid of any air bubbles. As I work, I'm using what's called a combing tool to kind of scratch through the painted areas. This helps get any air bubbles out, and it also will smooth the surface. This is going to take about 24 hours to dry, so while this is sitting out, I thought it'd be a great time for us to go check in on Jeremy and see how his project turned out. Jeremy?
Yeah.
How is everything?
Well, I thought this side turned out really well. It was really good. But then this one is supposed to be like a light to dark kind of thing, but this side needs a little work still. That bad. I don't know why you're laughing. We'll just show this side in the intro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we'll do. All in all, I really love how my project turned out, and I know that Jeremy really likes his too. I hope this video was able to show you a few tips and tricks so that you can have success when you try it yourself.